Mayday, 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 Vegas 3-1. Mayday, 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 Vegas 3-1.
Lots of layers of clouds. I saw the missile launches.
Cilj je već došao na daljinu od nekih 15 km. Odmah sam naredio da se izvrši lansiranje.
Roger, roger, out of the aircraft, down. Vegas 3-1, Vegas 3-1, going down. 3-1 is going down.
Oh, dear God, keep him safe. Just keep him safe. Dear Lord, please let him live. Just let him live.
Good morning. I've been asked to prepare some video diaries of the Zelkos.
On the way to the ball game. Back roads. Eastern Monadnocks, New Hampshire.
And I'm reminded of the last time I flew across the Atlantic Ocean was in a single-seat stealth fighter, F-117. There was no in-flight service.
Oh boy. Is he there? Is he in his bakery?
Hello, Colonel. Hello, Colonel Donnie.